Today, we unbox the new Nismo R3 Turbos. Not really seeing any that have this turbo kit. It's very rare since it's new, came out last year. Not a lot of info on them as well, so we're gonna go ahead and get this opened up here. All the way from Japan, since it's not available in the US market. Oh yeah. Comes with both twin turbos, as you can see here. I guess this is the turbo.
That's the individual part number.
Individual part number.
Might be able to check that part.
So, but yeah, the turbo kit comes with everything, as you can see here. And it's your instructions.
This
Looks like we got
gasket
some other
kit.
gasket kit. We're gonna open that up here and
comes with exhaust
studs. Okay, all right, cool.
And these things are packaged really well.
I know.
It's heavy.
I know, you're gonna have to lift it up.
I'll have to just turn it over and just let it fall out a little bit. Come on. Come on, turbo. There we go.
All right, now we can grab it out.
Sheesh. Love it, turbo. Got a
Little bit of damage from the box. Nothing
That's
major.
Yeah, but it's heavy.
That's what happens when you have a heavy box
Yeah.
leaning, shipping across the country. Alright, shouldn't have any damage, but we'll see.
Got this cheap.
Little paper packaging, like that's gonna do anything. As you can see, here is the turbo.
Yes.
Alright, cool. So
Let's open it up.
the turbo kit obviously has everything that you need. Doesn't look like anything's damaged here. That's good. Oh, look at that. Nismo. Right there, built in on the turbo. Oh yeah.
We are going all out on this build.
Just stuff that thing in there good.
And it comes with the Nismo actuator.
Oh yeah. It's gonna look sick on the car. So we're gonna need some hard lines. But yeah, let's get a good shot of this on the
Part
box.
number on the turbo itself. Can't really see it.
Oh, back behind the.
Yeah.
See if we can focus in on it. Oh yeah. So.
Awesome.
Set that down right there on the box. Get a good view of it. Stick the box upside down. Let's get a good shot.
Here, we'll do it up, right side up.
Yeah.
And there are, in fact, two.
That's so sick. Cool. All right, now we'll go ahead and get the other one out. Just check that one as well.
Why? You want to get them both out?
We're gonna open up this as well here real quick, see what's inside this
Just a
gasket kit. Okay.
We already have gaskets, but hey, doesn't hurt to
Nismo gasket, right?
get
Nissan.
new gaskets.
And then we have some studs here. So that's the part number for the stud. In the gasket kit comes with all new gaskets. Awesome. So we're gonna need those.
We already have them, but
It's good to have, you know,
definitely good to have more.
some crush washers. Cool. All right, awesome. So that's good and handy.
And
But yeah.
I wonder, since
Let's go ahead and get this other turbo open
it
real
comes
quick.
with a whole kit for 2 turbos worth. I wonder if that one comes with its own 2
It
turbos.
might
So you're
have
probably
its
gonna
own
have
kit.
extra.
I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. I thought that was in the middle, so maybe not.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I think that, yeah, this is two turbos
That was
worth
in the middle.
in that one kit, so yep.
Yeah.
And then we'll get the other turbo out. Okay.
Again.
Some more little damage around the box, you know how they do. Things are just so heavy. Little packaging ain't doing shit, but as long as, you know, we don't have any damage.
Box, I mean, this whole box was packaged well anyway as well. This had no damage on it, so.
Yeah. As long as this isn't pushed in and caved in, we're good. You know? It's the major important part. Okay. Same thing. Let's get that out. Okay. And we're gonna put it up also. Alright. Looks like she's not damaged. That's good. And yeah, looks like both turbos look good. Oh yeah, we get that nice view. Awesome. Yeah, that's pretty sick. We actually ended up picking up these Nismo outlet pipes. Say Nismo. They're going to attach right to the bottom of this turbo. If you want to show them, Mike, real quick, kind of like where that will go. But yeah, it's awesome. So once again, this is the turbo kit part number right there. If you guys have any questions, any comments, we'll let you know how they work. They're rated for, I think, like maybe 600 horsepower, 500 horsepower. I think it's, you know, plenty doable. All the data I've seen online said, you know, 430, 450. These came out last year, so we're going to have to do some, you know, R&D on these turbos, but we'll see how she works. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you later. Peace.